In this video, we will look at the demonstration of declaration and initialization of arrays. We have already seen in previous video, there are various methods of declaration and initialization. So we'll try all of them here. First method, declare an array of some size. I have declared an array of size 5 and I am not initializing it. Next, I will declare an array of some size 5 and also I will initialize values. I have initialized 5 values. Third method, I will declare an array of size 10, but I will initialize only few values. I have initialized only 3, remaining 7 values will be made as zeros. Then next, I will declare an array of size 5 and I will assign only 0. Then as the first element is 0, the rest of the elements will also be filled with zeros. Then one more method, I will not mention any size, I will write down the elements. I have given 6 elements. Now here I write return 0. I'll put a bookmark here. See, I'm getting here warnings that all these variables, I'm not using them anywhere in the program. So if the variables are not used, then compiler is giving a warning. So the warnings are instant and the errors are also, you have observed, they are instant. So that is the benefit of using this editor, this Xcode IDE. I will run the program and show you how these arrays are created in the memory. I'll put a breakpoint here. Then I will run the program. Here you can see in the debug area, that is in a watch, all the variables are shown here. A is of size 5 and all these values are 0 and the last value is some garbage. So actually these zeros are also garbage. It can be any number. Now next array, if you look at, it is filled with values 1 to 5. So here we have initialized array with 1 to 5. I'll close them. Now next array C, I have taken an array of size 10 but I have initialized only 3 numbers. Rest of the numbers will be zeros. Automatically they are initialized with 0, they are not garbage. And the D, all are initialized with 0, there is no garbage value here. These are the values that we have initialized them. And E, you can see I have not mentioned the size, but I have given 6 numbers here. So an array of size 6 is created. It is showing an array of size here inside this bracket, and there are 6 elements 0 through 5. I'll stop this. I will remove these declarations and I will show you how the addresses of array locations are contiguous. I will print the addresses of array A. So for that I need a for loop. So using for loop, here I will print the addresses of all the locations. So for printing addresses, I should use %u and space new line. Then I will print the address of A of I. Ampersand will print the address. So for printing addresses, I should use u. I'll remove the breakpoint. Now let us run the program. See, these are the addresses of all the locations. There are total 5 locations. So first address, that is first integer address, is 56, and here the integer is taking 4 bytes. So plus 4 is 60, the next plus 4 is 64, the next plus 4 is 68, the next plus 4 is 72. So all these addresses are contiguous. All the location, that is A0 to A4, the locations are side by side, and in this compiler integer is taking 4 bytes. But when I am discussing on whiteboard, I am assuming that integer is taking 2 bytes, so that is easy for me for explaining the things. So that's all in this video. We have seen how we can declare and initialize arrays.